Well, hello, everybody. Mark Finan here in the home weather office. Sunday, a little Sunday weather briefing for you to give you an outlook on the week ahead and this changing weather pattern that we've been looking at. Seems like we've been looking at this for about 4 or 5 days for this potential for rain this next week. And while things are still a little fuzzy, we still expect we will see some rain and maybe some light snow during the course of the week. But there were some headlines last week that were talking about a big storm coming to Northern California, flooding and all that sort of thing. The possibility of that is looking very, very little. So if that's what you're thinking about for this week, I don't think that's the case. But we are likely going to see some rain. The exact timing of it is going to be iffy, and I'll show you why here. But the amounts should be quite manageable. So, it's November. We get rain, and we will have some rain this week. So I think it's time to dial down some of the hype that was going on last week, and let's just talk about what is going to happen this week with the occasional rain that we are going to see. So let me show you why things are so interesting for this week. So we have this low up here. I'm going to show you that this is the 12Z GFS, and as we go through the next couple of days, you'll see this low sets up out in here. This is Tuesday morning. So we have this low spinning around out here. This is what we call a cutoff low. And that cutoff low just spins around off the coast. Every now and then sends a little bit of energy our way and a little bit of moisture to squeeze out the possibility of rain. But we call it a cutoff low because this is where the main storm track is up here. And this low is just spinning around on its own. So it really doesn't have anything to push it. It's because it's cut off from the main flow. I mean, you can even see, look at the flow going this way and then this way. Well, in the meantime, the jet stream is from the west. The flow around the low is still from the east here. And so here we are in California that, we're still dealing with. This is all the way into Thursday night, Friday, Saturday. This model shows it opening up. But it could open up and move inland a couple of days earlier. It could hang around until next weekend. So that's why the exact timing of any rain is going to be difficult. So let me show you short range here with the NAM. And as we go through the day on Monday, we'll probably see a few more clouds. You see some of that rain off the coast. And there may be a brief shower in some areas Tuesday morning. This is Tuesday around 4, 5, 6 o'clock in the morning. Little wave of rain trying to come through that may give us a couple of 1/100ths of an inch of rain. Lake County could see some of that, but other locations will likely see little or none. And that's the rest of the day Tuesday. So while there may be a brief shower in the morning, the rest of the day looks quiet. And then this is the day on Wednesday. This is Wednesday at 4 o'clock in the afternoon. So this looks as though we're going to be seeing maybe some rain in the afternoon or evening. Nothing all that much, but maybe a little bit. So with that in mind, let me go ahead to the GFS because the GFS goes farther out in time. That was as far out as the North American model goes right now. So this will show something similar. That's that Tuesday morning little wave that goes through. It's nice to see the models in agreement on that there could be some showers, especially in places like Napa and Lake County, as I mentioned. This is Wednesday morning. This is Wednesday afternoon and evening. So once again, similar to what the NAM is showing, that we could have some rain, showers come through on Wednesday night. And then this is Thursday afternoon. You see scattered showers in the air. Notice what you're not seeing is anything in the way of snow in the Sierra. And this model shows that this is Friday. Maybe some of the best rain we get is on Friday. But again, it's all going to depend on the timing of when that low comes in. And then this is Friday night. And then everything breaks up on Saturday. So let me show you total precip accumulation. So this is that 1/100th of an inch of rain that Sacramento gets on maybe Tuesday morning. But as you can see, the foothills and the Sierra stay dry on Tuesday. On Wednesday, let's see what this spits out for Wednesday afternoon. So 1/10 of an inch of rain, more in Lake County. Coastal areas will do much better this week than the foothills or Sierra will. So that's Wednesday night. So Sacramento and the Valley, we're up to 1/10 of an inch of rain, maybe 1/4 of an inch of rain in some spots. This is Thursday. We're really not adding anything to it. And then with that next blob of rain that comes through on Friday, the total goes up to 0.44 for the week. But you can see coastal areas are now up to an inch of rain. Now, keep in mind that the models can still change and maybe everything shifts a little bit farther inland. But let's say that Sacramento and Stockton Modesto see an inch of rain, which is higher than any of the models I've been showing you have right now. But let's say between Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, the valley sees an inch of rain. That's not going to cause any issues. And we're also not seeing a really good pattern for any snow. I don't anticipate there would be chain controls in the Sierra until maybe Friday, and maybe not even then. So again, there were some alarming headlines last week, kind of raised the temperature around my office and everybody else's attention for weather. But it's time to just dial things back a little bit and expect that we will see some rain for the middle and end of the week, but not a lot, nothing that's not manageable. So I think that's what's probably going to happen this week. We'll get some rain, but we can all handle that. So that's your Sunday briefing. I did want to give you that update on what's been changing for the last few days. I will give you an update again on Monday morning, as usual, the morning briefing, but this is kind of your Sunday briefing that I'm actually recording around noontime. Meantime, it's a beautiful day, and I'm going to get out and enjoy the rest of this afternoon. Make it a great day. I'll talk with you later.